People love front-load washers for good reasons. They clean well, save water, and are easy on clothes. But buying one is still a big decision because this isn't a gadget you try out and replace anytime soon. You're going to depend on it for years, and that's a long time to regret a bad decision made during a holiday sale. So I turned to Consumer Reports, dug through their latest recommendations, and narrowed everything down to the 6 best front-loading washing machines. From budget picks to premium smart options, this list covers all of it. And if you find something you like, I'll leave links to all the front-load washing machines in the description below. First up is the LG WM4000HWA, and Consumer Reports clearly likes this one. It scores 87 out of 100 with perfect 5 out of 5 ratings for washing performance, energy efficiency, and water efficiency. And on top of that, its annual running cost sits at around $26, which is remarkably low for a full-size front loader. So with this washer, you aren't choosing between good cleaning and lower bills. You're gonna be getting both. And the value is pretty strong too. At around $800, this is the cheapest washer on this list. Even so, it doesn't feel like a small budget washer. You still get a 4.5 cubic foot drum, which is big enough for king-size comforters, heavy towels, and multi-day loads. Now the normal cycle runs around 85 minutes, but when you're in a hurry, the Turbo Wash 360 feature can finish a load in under 30 minutes. And it uses 5 spray jets to move water around the clothes from different angles, so the wash is faster but still effective. Now the steam feature is useful too. Its allergen cycle is certified to remove over 95% of common household allergens, including dust and pet dander. And if someone in your home deals with allergies, then that's more than a nice to have. Now the smart sensors also help keep things pretty simple. They figure out what's inside, then adjust the wash settings automatically. And if you pair it with a compatible LG dryer, the ThinQ app can suggest the matching drying cycle too. Now the trade-off here is fabric care. The washer is great at cleaning, but it isn't the most gentle option. So if your laundry includes a lot of silk, satin, or delicate pieces, this may not be the perfect match. Next is the Maytag MHW6630HW. And this one is a good pick if you want a washer that stays steady and doesn't shake too much. And Consumer Reports rates its vibration control at a full 5 out of 5, making it the only model at this price to hit that mark. And it still earns a 4 out of 5 for noise. But the nice thing is that you aren't trading that for weak cleaning or wasteful cycles. It still washes really well while keeping water and energy use in check. And the main feature here is Maytag's extra power button. Instead of forcing you to pick a single heavy-duty cycle anytime you see stains, you hit extra power and it layers in a stronger wash phase on the cycles you already use. And that's pretty useful for loads with mixed stains like gym gear, food spills, or kids' clothes. Now from there, the machine has a couple of tricks to back that up. The power wash cycle uses an internal heater to bump water temperature, so it can break down heavy soils more effectively than washers that only fill with cold water. Now the steam and stains option adds more help by using steam and soak time to loosen dirt from fabric fibers, so stains aren't just beaten out by tumbling alone. It even thinks about what happens after the wash is done. Fresh Hold uses an internal fan and occasional tumbling to keep clean clothes moving and let air circulate for up to 16 hours. So if you can't switch the dryer right away, they're less likely to sit there and get musty. And for anybody worried about hygiene, the sanitize cycle is rated to kill 99.9% of common household bacteria. Up next is the Electrolux ELFW7626BW. And when it comes to pure cleaning performance, this one is the strongest washers on the list. It scored at the top of the charts in lab testing, so whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, sweaty workout gear, or everyday laundry, it has the power to handle it. Annual operating costs are estimated at around $28, and water efficiency earns a perfect 5 out of 5 rating. So despite its strong performance, it doesn't waste much water or energy getting there. Now as for capacity, the 4.5 cubic foot drum should be a comfortable fit for most households. It gives you enough room for larger loads while still fitting within a standard 27-inch footprint. And if space is limited, then the washer can be stacked with a matching dryer. Besides that, Electrolux also puts a lot of focus on stain removal. Stain Soak can adjust the cycle based on type of stain you're dealing with, while Perfect Steam helps with tougher messes that need a little extra attention. And for families with sensitive skin, pure rinse may just be as useful since it helps reduce detergent residue left behind in clothing. Just be aware that this isn't a smart washer. Noise and vibration both also land at a 3 out of 5, so depending on where laundry room is located, you may notice it more than some competing models. Even so, it still manages to post an overall score of 80. So if you don't mind skipping app controls, then there's a lot to like here. And by the way, if you want to check out any of these front-loading washing machines out, I put links to all of them in the description below. Next, we have the Samsung Bespoke WF90F53ADS. And at around $1,200, this is one of the most feature-packed washers on the list. And what stands out most is how easy it is to use. The large 7-inch touchscreen is a good example. Everything feels easier to find, and you don't spend as much time digging through the settings. You also get AI Opti Wash Plus, which can adjust the cycle based on the load, along with Flex Auto Dispense, so you aren't pouring detergent every time you do laundry. Now, Samsung even lets the door open automatically after a cycle, which helps the washer air out between loads. And if laundry can't wait, the super speed cycle can wash an 8-pound load in just 28 minutes. There's also steam for stains, smart things for phone control, and AR VRT Plus to help reduce vibration. And those features aren't just there for show. The washer earns 4 out of 5 for both noise and vibration, while an overall score of 80 is backed by strong cleaning results and efficient water use. And capacity shouldn't be a problem here either. At 5.3 cubic feet, it offers the most space of any washer on this list. Just don't expect it to be especially quick. A normal wash takes around 100 minutes, though that may be less of an issue if you typically run laundry overnight. Up next is the GE Profile PFW870SPVRS, and it's built for anyone who loves front-load cleaning but hates the musty odor that usually comes with it. Now, with the Ultra Fresh Vent System Plus, the washer can dry itself out after a cycle by checking for leftover moisture and actively venting it from the drum. That way, humidity isn't just sitting on the rubber door boot. It also uses microban treated parts in places like the gasket and dispenser, which are exactly the areas where moisture and buildup tend to become a problem over time. Now, the overall rating lands at 77, so it isn't the star on this list, and a big part of it is how a normal load takes. You're trading speed for a slower, more thorough wash. In return, you still get strong cleaning and fabric care that's kinder than you'd expect. Gentleness is also a solid 4 out of 5, so this isn't a big washer that tosses clothes around. You get automatic detergent dispensing, so once it's filled, you can mostly forget about the soap. Alongside that, Wi-Fi, steam, and a stackable design to help cut down on chores and make the setup more flexible. So if you want a feature-rich washer that's designed to avoid the usual front-load problems, then this one from GE wins my vote. Finally, we have the Speed Queen FF7012WN, and this is the washer I'd look at if you care most about durability than fancy features. Now, Speed Queen keeps the focus on build quality here, and it backs that up with a 5-year warranty on both parts and in-home labor. Now, of course, the performance numbers are still solid, and Consumer Reports gives it an 84 with perfect 5 out of 5 ratings for washing performance and water efficiency. Speed Queen also ranks number 1 for owner satisfaction among front-load washer brands in their surveys, which is a good sign if you want something people are happy with after buying. Now, the drum is 3.5 cubic feet, so it isn't the biggest washer here, but it makes up for that with a fairly quick 75-minute normal cycle and a 1200 RPM spin speed. Now, that faster spin helps pull more water out of your clothes before they go into the dryer, so drying can take less time and use less energy overall. But what makes it even more interesting is the cycle list. Stain Boost is useful because it can handle different types of stains in the same load, so you don't have to separate everything perfectly. And there's even a flea removal cycle, which uses a dry vacuum style process to help remove fleas from fabric. And that could be a real bonus if you have pets at home. But this machine is expensive, especially for a washer this size. Plus, Consumer Reports only gives it a 3 out of 5 for noise and vibration, so this is probably better for a separate laundry room, not a washer that sits near your kitchen or living space. And that's all for today. I hope this list helped you find the perfect front-load washing machine. And if you find something you like, don't forget to check the description to find links to all the front-loading washing machines mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.